So you can't be you can't just do your hair and makeup and come and sit and do the job.
of
You
course
need
not.
to know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Because the audience is very smart. They catch you like this.
Of course.
If you don't know what you're talking about, if you're not well informed, if you're not well read on the subject, वो फौरन आपको पकड़ लेते हैं कि ओ उसने इस टाइम, and they're very sort of unforgiving.
Yeah, yeah.
कोई मुंह से गलत चीज निकल
निकल
आए,
जाए, हाँ.
कोई स्टैट गलत बोल दिया,
हाँ.
या कोई इस तरह की चीज करी, फौरन आपको नीचे कमेंट्स में आना चाहिए, इसको तो पता ही नहीं है, she doesn't know what she's talking about. So I faced a lot of that initially because that was a time, it was like I was having teething issues, sort of settling into my career. But I think I've just developed a thick skin. So yeah, that would be the third
Experience.
thing. Yeah.
Experience.
Yeah, I've developed a thick skin.
Absolutely.
Now I've gone through a lot in my career in that sense, like in terms of there's always ups and downs.
Right.
So you learn, and then एक time आता है where you're like, you've got to focus on what you're doing and not the other things that surround them.
Right. एक तो इंटरेक्शन है ना लोगों के साथ, ऑडियंस के साथ, या जो देख रहे हैं क्रिकेट फैंस. एक इंटरेक्शन है टीम के साथ और प्लेयर्स के साथ. तो वो जो इंटरेक्शन है वो कभी ऐसा लगा है कि उनकी तरफ से इंटिमिडेशन है, या दे आर इंटिमिडेटेड और अनकंफर्टेबल विद द वुमन इन द लॉकर रूम, इफ दैट एवर हैपेंस?
So I'll tell you what, because I have actually spent more time with these guys than my own family in the last 10 years. It's true.
Yeah.
I'm sort of following the team around, and I've been literally part of all these events.
Yeah.
तो वो जो एक होता है ना discomfort level of being the only woman, again, it was different when I was new, because उस वक्त they didn't know me, I didn't know them.
Yeah.
Now I've seen all of them sort of grow up and develop their careers alongside with my career.
Yeah.
When they started, they were like 18, 19, all these cricketers that you see now, Hassan Ali, Fakar, Shadab, all of them.
Babar.
ये उस वक्त अपना करियर स्टार्ट कर रहे थे, तो उनको भी इतनी आदत होगी है मेरी शक्ल देख देख के कि ये हर जगह होती है, तो आई फील लाइक वो वी हैव अ वेरी, एंड आई हैव इंटरव्यूड देम सो मेनी टाइम्स इन माय लाइफ नाउ. It's like वो आपका एक comfort level develop हो जाता है ना, like if you interview somebody again and again, or if you meet them, तो फिर आपको इस तरह नहीं लगेगा कि it's a formal interview.
Yeah.
So I have a very comfortable space with all the people that I work with now, and that has just come through time and experience.
So nobody's sending you proposals in DMs anymore, or ever since you got married?
No. Thankfully, no cricketer is. Even before, I'll be honest. I think you maybe like the shuru mein there was when they don't know you, then you'll get an odd message here and there from someone.
Message होता क्या है? मेरी friend बने.
नहीं कि मतलब आप फ्री हैं तो खाने पे चलते हैं, इस किस्म का शुरू की मैं बात करी उस वक्त. And because they're also testing the waters, to see कि ये क्या है, कौन है, all of that. But I feel like the way you conduct yourself, and if you're very transparent, and if you know in your head what you're there for, so then they also respect you. So I have actually never felt disrespected by any of the cricketers that I've worked with, which is great.
Yeah,
like
which is great.
I've never felt uncomfortable.
Yeah, which is great.
I share like I have great camaraderie with them. I'll have a laugh or whatever. We'll talk about the sport. We'll talk about their own performance if I'm talking off the record or whatever. But that's it. That's where it ends.
Abhi to khair, you're the star, current star as well. But if you go back into like cricket of yesteryear, do you feel that there was any player that you would perhaps be like starstruck on, crush ho jaye, one of the greats, the cricketing greats?
I mean, you see, when I was growing up, though, we had उस वक्त के जो स्टार्स थे ना, वो प्रॉपर स्टार्स. अभी की जो टीम है उसमें उस तरह के स्टार्स नहीं है. You had Wasim Akram, you had Shoaib Akhtar, you had Waqar Younis, you had Imran Khan before that. You had Shahid Afridi.
Yes.
So all of them, they had a certain aura about them.
Totally.
And they still do. Like, I work with these people now in the commentary box, and they have, they're legends of the game.
Yeah.
and I have so much respect for them, and I'm so inspired by. I mean, I am here doing all of this because I saw them doing what they did, right? So they all have that strong presence. Afridi, he's got that as well. I mean, I think he's aging backwards. Ek to.
Totally reverse.
I think he's aging backwards.
Him and Shahzad Roy both.
Yeah.
I mean, they're like
there's certain people who just never age, and he's one of them. But also, like, he has a presence and he meets you so nicely. Every time you meet him, he's got such an energy about him. So I think they were the real stars. And yes, at that time when I didn't know them, I was intimidated by them. And sabki presence thi. And even I interviewed once Imran Khan, I remember, for cricket. I'm not into politics at all, for cricketing purposes. And I remember talking to him and I was like, you know, this is the first person I'm interviewing who's making me feel nervous, you know, क्योंकि उस वक्त मेरे कुछ साल हो गए हुए थे, and but he had such a presence. He had such a presence. So these people were beyond just cricketers. I think they were like the superstars.
छोटा सा plug in मैं भी करूँ. I've also interviewed Imran Khan, but not for politics or cricket, but for his personal style.
Really?
So those days as a fashion journalist, you know, he was, as a statesman, you know, I interviewed. You know, he's intimidating. He is. He makes you nervous.
Yeah,
I think just his aura. That's absolutely.
So
absolutely.
These people, they had like a personality. So all of them, Wasim Akram, Waqar, the people the ex-cricketers that I mentioned that I happened, even now, by the way, you know, when they walk in a room, you feel like someone is entered.
Yeah.
Because they've got a legacy behind them.
Totally.
And
they've won a lot of games, which unfortunately this current team is not doing so well. I feel bad for them as well, but I'm also very angry with them. As a cricket fan, I'm very upset right now, so I don't even want to go there.
You're not the only one.
I know.
Don't worry.
I know.
The whole nation is very upset.
The whole nation
right
is
now.
very upset. I know. Yeah, that's true. But yeah, talking about Afridi and our current stars, I want your take on what's happened these days. Okay, our cricketers are in the news for a couple of wrong reasons, and of course, we know कि ऐसी बात नहीं है, but what do you think happened? For example, with Afridi in Manchester and the whole Friends of Israel situation, क्या हुआ था वो?
Well, he clarified on that, and he said कि भाई I was walking past and there were these people who पता नहीं had banners or something.
Yeah, I know what
like he's clarified on his part.
Yeah.
I just feel like I mean मुझे ये social media wars जो है ना, ये I find them to be very petty.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Like the cricketers, if they're having a go at each other, or people, you know, I mean, it's very petty. You are like, I feel like ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए, और इसलिए नहीं होना चाहिए because ये वो लोग हैं who we look up to.
Absolutely.
Right? So I think if he clarified that it was a misunderstanding, he's not supporting them. And to be honest, I believe him.
Absolutely.